Hi, my name's Shaun Scott and I'm Managing Director of Winsulation Double Glazing, a family-owned Australian business. Winsulation are the experts in double glazing, and for over 20 years we've been providing solution-driven double glazing products to help customers deal with thermal and acoustic issues. Our factory is based in Northgate, Brisbane, and here we design and manufacture all our products using only the highest quality components. Every window and door is manufactured on site by a dedicated, hard-working team using our 20+ years of design experience to meet the requirements of each individual client. European quality combined with local ingenuity. At Winsulation, we offer an all-in-one solution by keeping every aspect of the process in-house, from the initial consultation through to the final installation. This sets us apart from our competitors and ensures a high-quality product and experience from start to finish. Our high-performance windows and doors are energy efficient and low maintenance, significantly reducing heat, noise and energy consumption. As we like to say, with Winsulation Double Glazing, stop noise, save money. I look forward to working with you on your next project. Start again. Our factory is based in Northgate, Brisbane, and here we design... I need another sip of my coffee. My mouth's gotten a bit dry. I'm not used to talking so much.